How to create effective Facebook ads. In today's video, I am going to show you how to create effective Facebook ads using your Android phone. It's quick and simple, so let's dive right in. First, open your Facebook app, then tap the three lines in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap on Ads Manager. In Ads Manager, tap the Create button. Now, select a campaign objectives. Pick one based on your goal, like traffic to bring visitors to your site, engagement for more likes, comments, or conversions to drive sales. Next, you will need to set your target audience. Select details like age, location, interest, and more. You can make it super specific to reach your ideal customers. Now, set your budget and schedule. You can choose a daily budget or lifetime budget, depending on how much you want to spend. Set the start and end date of your ad, and you are good to go. Now, it's the time for the fun part, creating your ad. Choose whether to use a single image, video, or carousel. Write an engaging caption, add a strong call to action like shop now or learn more, and make your visuals stand out. Once your ad looks good, tap preview to make sure everything is set. When you are happy, tap publish to launch your ad. Your ad is now live, reaching potential customers. And that's it. Now you know how to create effective Facebook ads on your Android phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.